Watch this video till the end if you want to learn how to make the best foaming body scrub you will ever make. This is going to be a gel-based scrub, meaning unlike your emulsified body scrub where we use emulsion or your oil-based body scrub, we're going to be using the gel-based. If you're interested in learning more, then follow this video through till the end. If you're here to follow us on TikTok, on Facebook, Instagram, wherever you're seeing this particular video, please hit the follow button right now. And if you're seeing this video on YouTube, kindly hit the subscribe button, as that is one free way to support the Lord's work. So first thing first, we are going to be creating our gel base, and we're going to be doing that by adding distilled water into a clean beaker. Distilled water, not boiled water, not sachet water, not tap water, but distilled water. You can buy your distilled water from any cosmetic shop around you, or you can buy your distilling machine from us and distill your own water. Next, we're going to dissolve the gelling agent. In this case, we're using xanthan gum. Now, we're going to dissolve it by dissolving it in a humectant. Ideally, we're supposed to make use of vegetable glycerin, but while making this video, I realized we did not have vegetable glycerin, so I substituted with propylene glycol. So we're going to pour a little bit of the propylene glycol into this container. Then take a bit of our xanthan gum. Xanthan gum is a polymer. Polymers are gelling agents. Now, gelling agents are those ingredients that are responsible for creating the gel in your gelling substances, like your shower gel. They're the reasons why your shower gel is a gel. They're the reasons why your serums has a jelly-like texture. So we are going to pour our xanthan gum into the propylene glycol and stir, ensuring that it is dissolved. One of the reasons why we are pre-dissolving the xanthan gum is to ensure that there are no lumps. If not, we can actually add it directly into the water solution, but it's going to be very lumpy and take a longer time to dissolve. Now that we are done dissolving or pre-dissolving the xanthan gum, we're going to add the pre-dissolved xanthan gum into our water, the distilled water that was prepared initially. Now, when you pour it and you stir for a while, you're going to achieve this thick gel. Now, look at that. This is what is going to serve as the base of this product. So you're going to stir, and mind you, even if you add in your xanthan gum into your water and it doesn't thicken up immediately, don't be tempted to add more xanthan gum, because the longer it stays, while you're preparing other phases, the thicker that particular gel phase is going to get. At this point, we're going to pour in our granulated sugar into a clean bowl. And then into that clean bowl where we have poured our granulated sugar, we're going to add in our cocoa betaine. Remember, we said we wanted this scrub to give a foaming feel, so we're trying to create a foaming body wash. Cocoa betaine is going to serve as the surfactant that will give the foaming effect in this body wash. So we're going to add in a bit of cocoa betaine into the sugar and give it a very good stir, making this particular scrub a foaming body scrub. So when you use this scrub on your skin, it's going to act as both a cleanser and an exfoliating system. So it's going to cleanse your skin as well as exfoliate your skin, getting rid of dead skin cells and getting rid of dirt at the same time. That is why we're doing a two-factor authentication using the surfactant and using the exfoliating system. Now that we've added the cocoa betaine into the sugar, we're going to give it a very good stir. We're going to give it a really, really, really good stir until everything is well combined, and then we're going to get ready to add in the next phase. If you've watched up to this point and you're interested in learning how to make skincare products, hair care products, and perfumes, we're having the biggest promo. It's a 24-hour promo. It's going to last for only 24 hours, and it's going to be open to only 5%. So we're giving just 5 slots. So for just today, we are going to be giving these 3 courses for the price of 1. Yes, you heard right. So when you pay 200,000 naira today, you're going to be getting the skincare class, the hair care class, and the perfume class access just for today, and it is only open to the first 5% to grab this opportunity. All you need to do is send discount to our page and to our DMs, and we are going to send you the link to pay and then you're going to be added to these 3 courses. Again, you're going to be getting access to our online skincare course, hair care course, and perfume production course for the price of one, valid for only 24 hours, which means if this post drops today, if this post drops by 10 a.m. today, by 10 a.m. the next day, this promo is over. And if 5 persons get access, then the promo is also over, because we only have just 5 slots for this promo. If this interests you, then send us a DM right now with the word discount. You don't need to tell us, oh, you're interested, I'm interested. Just send the word discount. The fee is 200,000 naira for the price of 3. 200,000 naira is equivalent to 160 or $165. I'm not sure. But when you come in, just send the word discount and we're going to confirm the rate today, and you will be added to those classes. Again, don't send I'm interested. Don't comment I am interested. Just send to our DMs discount and you will be added. At this point, we have added the gel base that we created into the sugar, and we're going to give this a very good mix till we get the consistency that we so desire. You're going to mix this up till the gel base gets well incorporated into the sugar. And at this point, if you feel like the scrub is too watery, you can feel free to add in more sugar. This is the point where we add in our mica powder. For this formulation, I'm going to be making use of gold mica. If you want to achieve that very crisp golden color, I would advise that you pre-dissolve this mica powder in a little bit of oil before transferring it into this bowl. The golden color will come and shine as it should. But at this point, I was really tired. I was shooting very late into the night, so I just scooped everything and tossed it into the formula, and we got this shade instead, which is also not bad. After adding our mica color, we added in our Gemal Plus, which acted as the preservative to this formula. And then we added a bit of fragrance because I didn't want the fragrance to be too much. And voila, our gel foaming body scrub is ready. Look at that texture. Is this texture not just mad? Look at the texture. The texture is everything. The texture, the look, the feel on the skin. Would you be trying this formula? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget that our promo is still very much on and available to 5 persons only. Get access to 3 of our most sought after courses for the price of 1. So at 200,000 naira or $170, you're going to be getting access to our skincare class, hair care class, and perfume production class. You really don't want to miss this class. And again, do not forget to follow us across all our social media platforms, wherever you're seeing this video, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook, and on YouTube at Fairly Mark Beauty School. If you have any inquiry to join any of our classes, both physical classes and online classes, feel free to send us a message via WhatsApp today. Now, saying that, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and my sincere apologies for the delays in uploading our videos. We're currently in a phase where we are currently, the light situation is bad and the network situation is bad, but we're going to try our best to upload as often as we can. And so stay tuned. For now, bye.